Let me tell you a secret that most walk-in tub companies will never admit. Most people who buy these tubs end up with regret. They're too embarrassed to talk about it. They don't post online about it. They don't tell their friends. They just quietly live with it. The product that didn't actually solve the problem that they were trying to get solved. It doesn't do what they thought it would. By the time they realize it, they've already spent $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 on a walk-in tub that's uncomfortable. It's hard to use, or worse, it's downright unsafe. These are important decisions, and this isn't about tubs. This is about dignity. This is about avoiding falls. This is about avoiding being a burden and being able to age in your own home with peace of mind and dignity. What most companies won't tell you is these tubs aren't one size fits all. They're not all safe for every person, and not every therapeutic process is appropriate. It depends on your health issues, all right? So it's not cookie cutter, and they're definitely not all installed by people who care about you. If you're shopping based on brand names or flashy TV commercials or internet ads, you're already being targeted by a system that makes money off of your confusion. You're watching this because you know you need something. You're starting to feel it's time to act, but you don't want to be ripped off. You don't want to make the wrong choice, and you don't want to regret it later when it's too late to fix it. I've built this series of videos because I've seen this happen too many times over the last 20 years. I've seen this happen to my mom, who suffered a horrible injury in her bathroom, and I promised to help prevent this from as many other people as I possibly could. I've made it my mission to make sure other families don't go through what we did. In the next video, I'll show you the one hidden cost that nobody talks about, the one that has nothing to do with price, but ruins more walk-in tub purchases than anything else. If you or someone you love is even thinking about a walk-in tub, don't miss it. And if you already know this matters, then click the link below, get your safe bathing checklist, or just give us a call. We're here to help. The next video could be the key to adding 20 years to your life. Click it.